welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you part 2 of testing out viral hacks by TikTok. So I've shared part 1, so I will link that video in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So I would like to thank Andrea's Art and RG Gaming for requesting me to make more videos. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So for this first hack you will require a Samsung phone. So first you need to dial this number *#0*#, and this screen will come. From here you can on any screen which you like. There is options like green, red and blue. And then you need to off your lights and only the screen light is enough. Then you will take photographs using this screen. So let me show you. So this is how it is looking. So this trick only works with Samsung phones. So this trick will not work in any other phone. So in that case, if you want this kind of pictures, I have made a video on how to take photographs at home ideas. In that I have shown some similar looking photos using same screens. So yeah, I will link that video in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So moving on to the second hack, for that I will color my hair. So for that you will require any foundation. So I will just do this much portion. So what it is shown in the video, you just need to apply foundation. On the part you want to color, I guess I need some more. Okay, I will do on the other side as well. So once it is dried, I will apply a liquid lipstick. So as you can see, this is how it is looking. So this hack is good if you just want a temporary, because I know if I wash this it will go away. So this is a temporary solution if you want to just dye your hair temporarily or you want temporary highlight. So this is a very good hack. So from my side I will give this hack a thumbs up. So moving on to the next hack, is like an anti-gravity hack. So for that you will require a glass, and then you need to pour half a glass of water. So I am just filling it this much. Then you need a cardboard or a plain surface. So I am taking this book like this, and then you need to just flip it. So yep, we'll just flip this upside down. And then we'll remove this cardboard आराम से, and then water will stay. on its own. And this is how the hack has turned out. So from my side, this hack gets a thumbs down. So yeah, I am back after changing my pants. So yeah, moving on to the next hack. So this is the next hack. So first I have taken this bottle, then I will cut the end portion. So here I am using knife, you can use scissor as well. After you cut the bottom portion, then I will take a handkerchief and cover the bottom portion of the bottle, and then I will secure it using a rubber band. So I have used this handkerchief instead of socks because I have seen in one of the videos that she uses handkerchief as well. So let's test it out. So first I'll just wet this portion with the help of water. Like this. Then we'll take some detergent, rub it on this, and then I will blow air from this side. So yeah, finally this hack works and it looks so pretty. So yeah, I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So there is also a similar looking hack which I would try. So this is the same hack by using this earbud. Again, you just need to take 1 drop of this detergent like this, spread it over, and then I will blow air from this side. So I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So moving on to the next hack for that. So this is a photography hack which makes your picture 10 times more clear. So in this hack I will put 3 drops of water on my phone and on my flashlight, and then I will take my eyes close to the camera and it will increase the quality by 10x. So let's try this hack. So now I have on my flash, and then I will put 3 drops of water on the camera. And then I will take my eyes close to the camera as it was shown in the video. And yeah guys, see, the inner portion of my eyes are looking so clear and so visible. So I guess this hack works as a micro lens. I would like to give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So moving on to the next hack, which is this magic smoke hack. So for that you will require this matchbox, only this part. So now I will just burn this. So this hack is a total fail. So I will suggest you that never try this hack or you might burn your hands. So from my side, I will give this hack a thumbs down. So moving on to the next hack, for that you will require a phone on which you have scratches. So if you see closely, here my phone have some scratches. So as you can see, my phone have lot of scratches, small scratches on the sides, and you can also see a big scratch in the middle. So from this hack you can remove all the scratches from your phone. So you will just require a toothpaste. So first you need to apply toothpaste to your screen. So now I applied the toothpaste all over your screen. And then I will wait for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, take this tissue paper and wipe this toothpaste off. So this is how my phone is looking after applying the toothpaste. The scratches have not even gone for 1%. So this hack is like a total fail. So from my side, I will give this hack a thumbs down. Moving on to the last hack, which is this cooking hack. So let's try this. So for this hack, I'll be using this watermelon. So first I will remove all the eatable portions. Then I'm separating this hard portion and only the middle portion is enough. Then I'll be cutting it into small pieces as it was shown in the video. So after cutting it entirely, we will keep water for boiling, and after the water has boiled, we'll transfer these pieces into it and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, as you can see, the pieces have become soft, which we will strain and remove the water. So till this stage, I think it is looking similar, and I think this hack might work. So after I've strained the tutti frutti, I'm going to take a pan and put 4 spoons of sugar and add half a glass of water into it, and then boil it together till a thick paste is formed. After that, we'll put our tutti frutti into this so that it could absorb the sweetness of this water. So this is how it is looking now. So now our tutti frutti is ready. So this is how it is looking. So it is looking similar. मतलब थोड़ा overcook हो गया है, but that's all my fault. It is nothing to do with the hack because it looks similar to what it was shown. So now I will taste this and let's see if this really tastes like tutti frutti. मतलब it is not like exactly the same how tutti frutti tastes, but it is like okay. I would give like 8 on 10. So from my side, I will give this hack a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.